I did what you say. It coming like Christmas. Coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas. Like Christmas. Coming like Christmas. I love it when you set me so. Bend me like a S. Rub your fingers from my clit and suck the nipple on my breast. I put the dick in me, then you fuck me like you miss me. Fuck it hard like you want to stop my breath. Baby, my love, you fuck me. I feel make you know. Love how you come just white like snow.
Good evening, guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. Alright, so let's see. Can you guess where I'm at? Where are we going? B 28. Oh my god, I left my hand luggage. Oh my god, hold on 1 second. This would have been a fucking disaster. How the fuck I leave my hand luggage? Jesus Christmas. I'll go back for ya. My freaking hand luggage. I don't even necessarily need it, but I mean the cart right now. I cannot believe. Anyways, let me park this cart because the bitch is going to her gate for her first motherfucking flight. You know, hello. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so anxiety. I'm so anxiety, I swear. It's crazy. Hey guys, I'm at the airport. So exciting. Oh my god. Okay, so if you're wondering why this is a part of Vlogmas and not in a separate vlog, it's because I have a stopover. So I'm stopping in Ottawa for a couple of hours and then I leave from Ottawa to go to Jamaica. So yeah, it is Friday, December the 14th. My flight is at 11:15 and I get to Ottawa about 12:15 or something like that, or probably earlier. It's probably like anytime you get like a flight, it's always like 15 minutes minus that. They just add on the extra just in case, you know. So yeah, okay, so first you guys see, I'm gonna leave my hand luggage, right? Like a freaking idiot. But anyways, I thought I was gonna be overweight. Listen, Goody was, I'm so happy that I just have to deal with machines now and I don't gotta talk to people because it makes life a whole lot easier. I'm hungry. I should have buy one tea, but I'm pretty sure they have Tim Hortons in Ottawa, so that's fine. So yeah, forgot my luggage, hand luggage, went back, got it, whatever. Come now, go through security with my stuff, take out my jacket, my hat, everything. When I take back my stuff, I'm looking for my hat, can't find my hat. I asked one of the guys, I'm like, did you guys see a hat, a black hat? What is Fuffy saying? Fuffy is on one right now. Asked him if they seen a black hat. He was like, no. He checked over. He was like, are you sure it was in this line? I'm like, yes. And then he's like, okay, I don't see anything here. He checked the other line. They didn't see anything. He went and called the manager. I'm like, do they smell weed in my hat? Like, are they gonna come arrest me? Like, did I have weed somewhere? Because you know weed is legal in Canada now, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like it should be okay to travel with it within Canada, but I should make sure that I don't have those things on me when I'm traveling. But anyways, back to what I was saying initially. I don't know how I got off topic, but the reason why this is in Vlogmas, the reason why this is in Vlogmas is because I'm stopping first in Ottawa. So I figured I would just continue with Vlogmas, give you guys one more day, just see my traveling, like my traveling from Toronto to Ottawa before I get to my final destination. And then when I'm leaving Ottawa, that's obviously when I will start my Jamaica vlog. So as I told you guys in the beginning, you guys would not be getting 25 days of vlogs because, yeah, I think they're starting to board now. So they are not starting to board now. But yeah, so I'll show you guys what it's like from here to Ottawa until about, I don't know, maybe like 2 o'clock this morning, and then whatever footage I have, I'm just gonna put that up until it's time I return, and then I put up Jamaica vlogs. I have so much shit to record in Jamaica. It's like I'm anxiety. I told you guys I am anxiety because there's so much work that I have to do. Don't mind my hair. I'm getting ready to sleep. Like I'm bitch is tired. Okay, I don't have nothing for my throat. I left my tissue, my hand sanitizer, and I'm kind of upset that I was at that weight because I feel like I could have added more stuff in my suitcases, but it is what it is. I just have to send on a barrel when I go back up, pack the barrel and send it, because I literally did not get to bring anything for anybody. Kamari, Kiana, Angie, Tajio, as much as me and Natak, I did not get to bring anything for anybody. No one, like no one, and you guys will understand why, but I did not get to bring anything for anybody. So yeah, but I'm just here waiting to board my flight. We're supposed to be boarding at 10:35. I know it's somewhere around that right now. It's 10:30. I'm so freaking nervous. If you guys only knew all the emotions and stuff that are running through my hair right now, but I can't share it yet. But tomorrow probably when we'll find out. But I'm saying it tomorrow, like you guys are gonna know tomorrow. You guys aren't gonna know that until January when I get back. But yes, to everybody that was trying to figure it out, that was like, Zoe, me no say I leave soon. Just tell me when you leave. Wanna just need for the excitement, yeah, and surprise. So surprise, we're going to Jamaica. Why do I feel like I left my toothbrush? I really hope to God I did not forget anything, because anything that I left is mad crucial, and it's gonna be mad expensive to get in Jamaica. But yeah, anyways, I will talk to you guys later because I'm gonna board now. I'm going to Jamaica. We're going to Jamaica. Just touched down in at the plane. You guys were on the plane. Yes, we're on the plane, you guys. Oh my God, it's lit. Boarded. I'm in my seat. Ready to go. Like I'm so happy this was a freaking breeze, like apart from the little mishaps or whatever. And yeah, I was gonna do my lashes tomorrow because I am leaving in the morning, but then I'm like, I don't want them to take away my glue because I wasn't sure about the milliliters, whatever the capacity is that they'll take away yourself. So I always put that stuff in my hand luggage anyway. I mean in my suitcase. So I just put them on from tonight. I don't think I'm going to be sleeping on my face or anything, so I'll be looking cute. And I was supposed to pack a different outfit, but I never got the chance to buy anything. So yeah, but I'm just waiting to take off. When I take off, I'll come back, you guys. I'm on a plane. Oh my God, let me call my mom. Bye. I'm not blessed. I was sitting beside a lady. She's not here anymore. She went up to the front to go be with her mom. So I have the whole row to myself. And I'm happy because I'm sick as hell. But yeah, I just thought I'd come and share that with you guys. So I'm taking off right now.
Consuming your own alcohol, including duty-free, is prohibited. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your hips. To fasten, insert the flat metal end into the buckle. You are not thirsty. You are getting very, very sleepy.
One thing you know, from December start.
Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every day is Christmas.
Hey guys, I'm in Ottawa. I just got off the phone with Day. It's like It's 1:31 in the morning. Yeah, and I'm here until my flight is at 6. So I have a couple more hours, and I'm in Jamaica. By the time you guys see this, I'm purposely putting this up at 11 o'clock. Oh, you know what? I'll put this up at 11:15 because that is literally when I'm landing. So when you guys are watching this, I am literally just getting here. I mean, not here, but to Jamaica. Anyways, I'm about to go make some thumbnails for the last... Ooh, on December 13 to 14, 2018, you may see a noticeable decrease in your subscriber count as we remove spam from your channel. I didn't see a lot, so that means a lot of my followers are active. Big up on yourself. But yeah, I want to big up Chantel P. This is why my name was answer yo. She's been getting at me like for like the last 2 weeks, I think, if I'm not dragging it. Just in regards to when I'm leaving. So many people are like, Zoe, I feel like say I left that time here and Ray. And I'm just like, wanna just sit back and relax. Just sit back, relax, let me go and let's enjoy. So yeah, this is why my name answer yo, because yes, goody. Right, where's the feet? From feet, I know you know some at least. Yeah, I'm so hungry. And there's only a Tim Hortons open, and they don't have no like sandwiches. They only have donuts, and I ain't trying to eat that shit. I could have got tea on the plane, but I was sleeping. Even though it's only 42 minutes from Toronto to Ottawa, but Ottawa is an hour behind. So yeah, but I'm gonna do these. I'm gonna do these thumbnails and probably like watch a show or something because I have to watch 90 Day Fiance, and I purposely saved it for this because I was like, that's like an hour and 45 minutes, almost 2 hours of a show. So I'll kill some time. Hopefully my laptop survives. So like I was connecting in Ottawa, it's so annoying, but I had to take my luggage and then I have to recheck in. So annoying. Normally when you're connecting, whatever flight it is that you're going on, they just automatically put your bags on that flight. But I guess because it's like an hour and stuff, like a couple hours and stuff, that they want you to take your stuff and then come back and then redo the stuff them again. I'm upset, like how many at Ottawa now, them not tell me some my bag them overweight, because in Toronto my bags was fine. I'm not taking anything out or removing anything, okay? Not that I can, so whatever it was before, it should be fine now. But yeah, let me get this done and I'll come back to you guys. Yes, we in Ottawa. Guys, it's 2:35 in the morning and I'm gonna take a nap. Everybody's sleeping. Almost everybody. There's not a lot of people down here, but I can only imagine upstairs would be a lot more uncomfortable. But I found myself a little bench, so I am sleeping. See you guys in the morning. Oops, if it's very loud. Anyways, a quick outfit of the day. Ooh, Goody looks like she has a little shave. Anyways, so I have these pants. They tie up at the side. That's a nice Goody, yes. And then this sweater is from a store in Canada called Ardennes. My pants are from think sirens. And then my shoes from RD. They're a bootleg Puma. Yeah. Y'all, I feel more sick now. Initially, because it's just so cold. I left my phone charging. My other phone, because this phone isn't unlocked here. My new phone, it's not unlocked, so hopefully I can get it unlocked when I go down. Hopefully my phone is there. Oh my god, there's this pregnant girl on my flight. She's connecting as well. Girl, she's gone. She kept like, everybody's gone. But I feel so bad for her because she's sleeping under the cool little bench. Whatever. I just feel so bad for her. Hi. It's my phone hero. Yes, it is. Okay, so yeah. As per discussion, as I was saying, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, only because there's nothing else that's gonna be going on. It's what time now? Hold on. Let's see what time it is here. If it's matching what time it is. Over here. Everybody's like sleeping. Local time is 3:07. For some reason, I thought Ottawa's time was not the same as ours, but it's saying local time is the same time, so I guess it's the same time. But anyways, as I was saying, you guys, I think this is where I'm going to end the vlog, as I was saying, only because there's nothing else that I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to board this flight and go to Jamaica. So yeah, I will see you guys when I get to Jamaica. I hope you guys have yourself an amazing holidays. Make the best of it. Laugh, love, live in the moment. Cherish the people that you still have with you, the people that you're still able to pick up the phone and call or go and see, because life is very, very friggin' short. We don't know if we're going to be seeing tomorrow, the next week. We don't know who we're going to be seeing tomorrow or next week. Yeah, that's the best advice that I can give at this point in time, because that's what I'm going by. And try to see the positive in every situation. So don't be stressed out if you weren't able to buy that Christmas gift. If you weren't able to get something for everybody on your list. You know what I'm saying? Christmas, there's more to Christmas and the holidays than spending. It's supposed to be about family and making memories and, you know, just spending time with your loved ones and stuff. So I'm really excited that I get to spend another Christmas with my foreign family. And yeah, there's just so much about this trip that is going to, there's just so much, yeah, there's so much about this trip. It's going to change so many things in so many ways. And there's just going to be a lot of changes, like a lot. But I'm getting ready for it, and I don't know how to feel about it, but it's happening whether I like it or not. So yeah, but I will see you guys in my Jamaica vlogs. Thank you guys for rocking with me for this Vlogmas, this year's Vlogmas. Last year we did it to 25, but you know, as I said, I'll do it up until the point that I'm leaving, and I did just that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to follow me on social media, you guys. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat. If you're not sure what my social media if you're not sure what my social media handles are, they will be on the end screen. Follow me if you want to stay up to date with me while I'm away. I'm and interact. And if you are going to be in Jamaica and you're in Montego Bay or surrounding areas and you want to link up over the holidays, holla at me. Like, I'm going to be meeting up with people, so holla at me. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I don't want to drag this on any longer. You guys, we're going to Jamaica. We're going to Jamaica. Okay, so I'm going to edit this vlog now, put it up for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the new year. This is the last vlog for 2018. And it's the starting of an amazing, amazing time. I'm so excited. But I love you guys. Thank you guys for your continued support. 2018 was amazing. Kind of. No. But we're learning, we're growing. We're past certain things. And yeah, so yeah. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I will see you guys in the new year. Have a happy holidays, and until 2019, bye.